How to emulate a do-while loop. I need to emulate a do-while loop in a Python program. Unfortunately, the following straightforward code does not work. Instead of 1, 2, 3 done, it prints the following output. What can I do in order to catch the stop iteration exception and break a while loop properly? An example of why such a thing may be needed is shown below as pseudocode. State machine.
I am not sure what you are trying to do. You can implement a do-while loop like this. Or, what are you doing trying to use a do-while loop to print the stuff in the list? Why not just use update? So do you have a list of lines, and you want to keep iterating through it? How about? Does that seem like something close to what you would want? With your code example, it would be.
Exception will break the loop, so you might as well handle it outside the loop. I guess that the problem with your code is that behavior of break inside except is not defined. Generally, break goes only one level up, so e.g. break inside try goes directly to finally, if it exists, and out of the try, but not out of the loop. Related pep. This URL. Related question. Breaking out of nested loops.
You can do a function. But 1. It's ugly. 2. Condition should be a function with one parameter, supposed to be filled by stuff. It's the only reason not to use the classic while loop. Here's a very simple way to emulate a do-while loop. The key features of a do-while loop are that the loop body always executes at least once, and that the condition is evaluated at the bottom of the loop body. The control structure shown here accomplishes both of these with no need for exceptions or break statements. It does introduce one extra Boolean variable.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.